Once you've built the land formations on your layout, such as cuttings, valleys and hillsides, the next step is to bring it all to life. Advances in modelling products and techniques over the past few years means that now, more than ever, you can create a truly remarkable and highly realistic representation of the real landscape. In Part 3, we add the Geoscenics Pothole Road Kit to the Goodyard and Roads, try out a new scenic product from Humbrol, and add ground cover to the entire layout, transforming it from a simple layout into a real model railway. Join us as we embark upon this fascinating journey in our brand new series, Building a Model Railway in TT120, available to watch exclusively when you subscribe to KeyModelWorld.com.